These sheet pan chicken fajitas are an easy, efficient, delicious meal, and they're also great for meal prepping. Deadass have made them like 5 times in the past couple of weeks. First, we're gonna add our boneless, skinless chicken thighs and peppers and onions to a large bowl. Add some avocado oil and your favorite fajita seasoning, then give them a toss. Get everything on a large baking sheet and into the oven at 425 for about 25 minutes. Then we're gonna broil for a few minutes to finish. Take them out, let them rest for 5 to 10 minutes. And now it's finally the time you've been waiting for. Look at that juicy perfection. Serve over tortillas or rice and enjoy.